In this video, I will guide you how to logging into your AT&T router's settings to change your Wi-Fi password, set up a guest network, or check who's connected. Let's get started. Step 1. Find your access code and login settings. Your unique password, often called the access code or device access code, is printed on a sticker on your AT&T gateway. It's usually a 10-digit number. Also find default login IP address and default Wi-Fi SSID and password printed on the router sticker. Step 2. Connect to your AT&T network. Now on your computer, phone, or tablet, make sure you are connected to your AT&T network either using Wi-Fi or wired. Step 3. Access ATT Gateway Settings. Open any web browser, like Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. Type ATT default login IP address 192.168.1.254 and hit Enter key. You will get ATT Settings page. Click Home Network from top menu, and router will ask for access code. Type your access code and press Continue button. Congratulations! You are now inside your AT&T router settings. Step 4. Change Wi-Fi name and password. Now go to Home Network, then go to Wi-Fi tab from top menu. Change Wi-Fi SSID name and security key for 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi band. Scroll down page and press Save and Continue button to apply settings. Connect your all Wi-Fi devices again with new Wi-Fi SSID and password. And that's it. Logging into your AT&T router gives you full control over your home network. If this video helped you gain access, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.